Hey guys, it's Nicole here and welcome back again for another video. For today's video, we will be making another ukulele tutorial. Okay. For this tutorial, we'll be playing Moment of Truth by FM Static. By the way guys, before we start our tutorial, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and then click on the notification bell para notified kayo sa every upload that I have. I upload music, lifestyle, and beauty videos. Ayan. So ayan guys, let's begin our tutorial. So for today's tutorial, we'll be needing 5 chords. So, madali lang yung chords na yon, 5 chords. Wala siyang bar chords. So, let's begin with the first chord. Okay, we have C. Ayan. And then, dito tayo sa first string. Any finger of your choice, C. Next one, we have A minor. Ilalagay nyo lang yung middle finger or any finger that you prefer sa second fret, 4th string. Okay guys, so next naman is F. Ayan, stay mo na lang dito yung middle finger mo and then put your index finger at the first fret, 2nd string. That's for F. And then next one is we have G. And G is like D chord sa guitar. Ayan, ganito. And then lastly, we have A. Yung A, ilalagay mo lang dito, again, para siyang A minor, pero ilalagay mo naman yung index finger mo dito sa 3rd string, 1st fret. So basically, those are all of the chords na kailangan mo to play this song. Guys, make sure that your ukulele is also on the standard tuning. So, let's begin with the intro. Yung intro niya, meron siyang finger plucking. Pero, ang gagawin ko na lang muna ngayon is yung basic strumming. So, ang chord progression ng intro before ng verse is C. Tapos, A minor. After ng A minor is F. And then G. Ayan. So, again, C, A minor, F, and then G for the intro. And then it sounds like this one. Just twice. Ulitin siya ng twice. So, let's move on sa verse of the song. So for the verse, halos parehas lang siya nung intro ng chord progression niya. So, for the chord progression, it will be C, A minor, F, and then G. And then, it sounds like this one. For the verse, we'll be needing C, A minor, F, and then G. So, ayun, paulit-ulit lang siya yung chord progression for the verse. Now, let's go with the pre-chorus. So, for the pre-chorus, we'll be needing C, F, A, and then G. Ayan, and then also, for the pre-chorus, meron naman tayong plucking. Parang isa-stop mo. Yung strumming pattern is isa-stop mo for every chord. For example, C. Ayun, isa-stop mo lang siya and then again, yung chord progression is C, F, A, and then G. It sounds like this. Used to know better, but I never knew I'd ever till it visualizing me. Now I'm jumping up and down, she's the only one around. She means every little thing to me. I've got your... So again, yung strumming pattern is isa-stop mo for every chord. For example, C. Ayun, Isa-stop mo lang siya and then again, yung chord progression is C, F, A, and then G. Now, let's move on with the chorus. Yung for the chorus naman is same lang yung chord progression niya from verse. So, again, yung chord progression nun is C, A minor, F, and then G. So, it sounds like this one. I've got your picture in my wallet, and your phone number, Nicole, and I miss you whenever I think about you. I've got your mixtape in my Walkman. It's so long since we've been talking. In every few more days, both hook up forever and ever. And then for the verse 2, kaparehas lang siya ng verse 1. So paulit-ulit lang din yung chords niya. Again, you will be just needing 5 chords. 4 chords for the chorus, also for the pre-chorus, and then for the verse. So, wala siyang pinagkaiba. Just repeat the same steps until the end. Okay, guys. So, that will be the end of this video. I hope you like this video, guys. So, very short lang then and very easy. You can do it with your ukulele as well. So, again, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Nicole, and I hope to see you in our next video. Thank you, and then goodbye!